All right, problem one, we want to graph this system of inequalities here. So the first thing we need to do is figure out where the line negative 2x plus 1, y equals negative 2x plus 1, where it's located. Now notice it's greater than. That means we're going to shade the upper part of that line. Also, it doesn't say or equal, so we got to use a dashed line. So the y-intercept is at positive 1 on the y-axis. There's the y-intercept. It has a slope of negative 2. That means I'm going to go up 2 and to the left 1. Up 2 to the left 1. Or I could drop 2 and go to the right. As long as it's pointing up to the left, since it's a negative slope, I know that's what I have. Now what I need to do is I need to make it a dashed line. So I'm going to come in here, trying to get it somewhat nice. And we make, missing that one. Made a little dashed line there. Now I got to think which side is shaded. We said it's greater than, which means I'm going to be shading this upper side up this way. Okay, so I don't want to do that yet because I'm going to have another line coming across, and it's going to be one of those quadrants of the 4. We got to figure out which one it is. So let's wait. So that's why I did the arrows saying, hey, I'm going to shade that direction. So let's go to the next line. Y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 1. So it has the same y-intercept. That's where they're going to cross. And it has a slope of 1/2. So it goes up 1 over 2, and it goes to the right since it's a positive slope. So up 1 over 2 to the right. Up 1 to the right. Up 1 to the right. So that's where I'm going to need to do this guy now. So I got to bring Mr. Ruler in here to try and get a decent. And notice it says or equal to, so points on the line are solutions too. So I'm going to make it a solid line. Put my arrows here at the end to show that it continues in those directions forever. Now notice it says less than or equal, so less than means I'm shading underneath here. Everything underneath here is a solution. So now I can see, on this line I'm trying to shade everything up, this I'm shading everything down, so you can easily see the parts of the points that are going to make both true. That shaded region right in there, and that's what I would darken. Problem number 1, nice and simple. Just take your time, draw your lines accurately, and shade correctly.